If you have cats, little kitty cats or large cats, and they're like peeing everywhere, this is a mat that has a sense, all right? So they kind of know it like a litter box pretty much. They know to pee in here. Now I will put the soft side first because the bottom is only for it won't penetrate any kind of liquids. And they give you a pack of a lot of them, all right? And the color is a little purple, kind of like a little purple colorish, but it's perfect. You can put multiple pads everywhere. This works for dogs and cats, but it's mostly based for cats, right? Simple to actually just open it up and set them up. You got plenty of them. Like I said, you get multiple ones and very easy. Like I said, you get multiple ones. You could set them up as much as you want and stretch them as long as you want to. So very simple, two-sided. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.